Okay, spooling up, huh?
Loading.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
Oh, great. Thank you. And you?
Yeah, cracking couple of hours whilst we were off the air, wasn't it?
Yeah, another TP3. Insane TP3 in there.
Yeah. Absolutely. So I think I've taken 4 profitable trades today.
Amazing.
Yeah.
That's the end of it. Let me share the group. You will be able to see the last signal and how that goes.
Yeah. Let's have a look.
Yeah, I can hear the builders on your home now today.
Can you hear them? Yeah, they're really hammering away now.
I will reduce the background noise. Let's see if it
Yeah,
helps.
okay.
But don't
Sure.
worry, it's not a lot.
Okay. Shows were real, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, we're real people with real lives.
Let's go there.
Okay, so what's been going on? Let's have a
That was the
summary.
buy limit that we had.
Yeah.
And it's just the patience. It's telling you you need to have patience. And
Yeah.
then straight after nearly 1 hour, less than 1 hour, 40 minutes,
Yes. Yeah.
we are reaching TP3 and beyond.
Brilliant.
But yeah, look the graphic. The entry point and where we went is just perfect.
What did we talk about this morning? It's all about the entry.
Yeah, it's all about the entry.
Yeah. Get the
And
entry right. Yeah.
Yeah, it's all about the entry and protect your capital, isn't it?
Yeah. Get the entry right, and you're absolutely brilliant. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's all we need. But and look, we've got a fantastic system now. It's working really well. I'm really pleased with how we're doing.
Yeah.
And here she goes. It's 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
1 o'clock.
And it's live updates as well. That helps a lot.
Yes. Makes all the difference, doesn't it?
Yeah, we had plenty of TPs already today. Most of us, we reached the target.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's the main thing, isn't it? We talked about it this morning in terms of where your trading should be. Set your goals, hit your targets, walk away.
Yeah.
And that's all there is to it. That's all the way to it. Yeah. Last signal, I put my last trade of the day in. I know exactly what I need.
Amazing.
Yeah. And as soon as it hits that, that's it. We're done for the day. I make it simple, right? It's not rocket science. It's not rocket science at all.
That's it. Let's go.
Well, it's just New York opening, right? So just messing around.
Well, we just had the big push before New York.
Yes, we did. Which was interesting, isn't it? I always think that sometimes it kind of dies a death before the New York session. But obviously London had a lot of confidence today. So let's see what New York does, right? Gold falls as Hormuz tensions send oil higher, but that was 4 hours ago. We haven't had any real news since then.
No,
And 4 hours is a lifetime, isn't it? I mean, look at
that's
those
it.
48.30, 48.40, right? 48.10.
Yeah, those are the
I
runners.
Yeah.
And then we have the massive runner 57.
Yeah, I have that. I'm going for that. I've got a trade in, as I was saying to you this morning. 46 666 666 TP 5700.
That's it. You can just hold it.
Yeah. Yeah, let's see what she does, right?
Oh, we have Kuwait with us.
Hi.
Excellent. How you doing?
I just made Sharon laugh. So I was out, and you know when Matthew sent that buy limits,
Yeah.
and as he sent it, within a couple of minutes, I was still in the car, and it went down to 90. But I had a look later, and so because I had to drive home, I just put it on, and I just put it on TP1. And when I got home, did a few bits, and it had closed, and I had a look.
Yeah.
And it only made 11 pence.
Right.
And I had to look, because like an idiot, I only put, because I did it while it on the side of the car, I only put it up a couple of numbers. I didn't actually.
Okay, so you set your TP wrong.
So I'm looking at it, and I'm looking at both crossing, saying, how could that just be 11 pence? And then I realised, I whatever, because it was at 90, I put 91 instead of 93. And so Sharon said to me, well, it's 11 pence made and not lost.
At least it's blue.
That's what happens when you're hurrying, because obviously in my head I'm just counting 90-91 and stuck that in there. But she said, well, at least it's 11 pence made and not lost. So I thought, there's a silver lining to each cloud if you look for it.
That's it.
Yeah. Well, I just hit my 5th TP for the day.
Oh, well done.
Yeah.
Good.
So, yeah. And so we were just saying that, look at the market, look at what it does. And obviously New York is always an exciting time because there's a lot of volume.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So, but what I've learned over the last sort of month, 2 months is to manage my lot size.
Yeah.
And, even if the entry point's not perfect, because my lot size is relatively conservative, I'd rather take a few more trades and spend a few more hours in front of the computer than try and do these huge lot sizes. Because what was happening was I'd get my confidence up. Okay, let me just have a look at what's just come through. So
230 pips.
230 pips, right? What could you do with that, hey? And and that's where it's all at. And what I learned was, and it's about finding your own style, isn't it?
It is. You do have to find your own style.
And that's all, as we were saying to David this morning, that's all you need.
Yes, you do have to find your own way.
Yeah.
And with what you're comfortable at as well. Because, and especially as a newcomer, if I'm sitting here thinking I'm going to hit and wait for it doesn't happen that way. It doesn't do what you want it to do.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, there is some navigating, isn't there, Cam?
Well, what you want to do is you want to scalp your way to your target. Right? Because that's what we are. We scalp, we trade and we scalp on a daily basis. We're not fund managers. We don't want to be sitting around in a trade for 3 weeks. Right? I mean, I know the runners can be like that, but that's another game altogether.
Yeah,
that's a completely different strategy, and and some people deploy it quite well. I know Mark Farrell does it really, really well, right?
but
it takes time.
That's it.
It takes time to get it right.
You have to find your own rhythm, don't you? And 100%. Then you can be a little bit more comfortable with, if you do take a hit, it's okay.
Yeah.
Because you've still, you've got something behind you. You've got some backing behind you. But you can't do that setting
absolutely.
off. That's why I
No.
always laugh at Mark, because Mark, when he flies, and he's the one that says it, that when I stick to my strategy, I do really well. And then he says, and then I go and do something different.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Another word for that something different could be something stupid, because he usually blows his count, right?
But if he's doing, and I always laugh because I think, well, if it's working, maybe it's just curiosity that makes him want to try something different.
I think what happens is we get bored. Yeah.
Possibly.
And then sometimes there are people that want drama in their lives.
It might be a man thing as well.
Yeah, it's dopamine hit, isn't it?
It's probably a male thing.
Oh, no, the male thing's about ego, right?
Yeah.
Women statistically are better traders than men.
Okay.
Yeah, because they don't have that same bravado.
No, you play it safe. You do well. You do okay, and you're satisfied with it.
Yeah.
And you start again tomorrow.
Yes. Yeah. Absolutely.
So.
And I think that is the winning attitude, right?
It has to be, because every time, then I don't see Mark for 4 or 5 weeks, and then he says I built it up, and then I did something, and then I'm building it up again.
Well, there was a guy in a community that had a $1.5 million account, and he started shorting gold, and he was about £1 million in drawdown. He then borrowed £1 million at 20% interest and put that in. And that was probably a year, 18 months ago, when gold started rising. And his last message was, hey guys, you won't see me around for 6 months or a year whilst I sort myself out. £2.5 million account he blew.
Oh, wow.
See, I can't even get my head around that.
Right?
Wow.
Yeah.
And $1 million of it wasn't even his money.
God, which he was paying 20% interest on.
Yeah.
That's even harder.
Man.
Yeah.
Right?
Man.
So it becomes, you're making a rod for your own back. Imagine the profit you can make on a £2.5 million account.
Oh,
wow.
It's mind blowing, isn't it?
It's
Well,
insane.
guys, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 TPs I've hit today. I've done for the day. I took a little scalp whilst you guys were talking. I saw it rising because I'll take mini trades.
Yeah.
I'll take a little mini trade in between whilst I'm waiting for the other trades to hit TP.
Well, I had to do that after I only made 11 pence. I made another couple of quid afterwards because I did feel. I was thinking, how can that be?
Yes. How can that be? How is it possible?
And that went straight away to the top, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. So, yeah, I'm pleased with that. Great day's trading.
That's great.
And that's how it needs to be.
I think is the skills that you apply to yourself,
Yeah. Well, there's the skills and the discipline, isn't it?
You know what to do, and then you're doing it.
Yeah. And that sounds so simple, doesn't it?
Yeah,
you know
but
what
it's
to do
not.
and you're doing it. But the problem is we know what to do and we don't do it.
Yeah,
That's the problem, isn't it? Right?
that's the thing.
And so yeah. Listen, I get that. It is not easy to be disciplined and stick with it.
Yeah.
So I must admit, Matthias, so I've not managed to set up my Mac, as I was saying to you. Then I tried to set it up during the break, and I forget why I didn't use this particular screen because it hasn't got a camera.
Okay.
So for tomorrow, I'm going to bring my iMac upstairs from downstairs, and then I could use it. But the beautiful thing, you were talking about 2 screens. So I've got my iPad down here. Then above it is my Mac, and I've got TradingView running on that.
Yeah.
And it is magical.
No,
Yeah.
it's much better.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
need to have that guidance.
Yes. Yeah. The real estate is much bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm able to see much more on there.
It's like when we share here, looks like it's smaller, but for the people who are full screen, they will see the big picture as well.
Yeah, 100%. 100%. Looks like the market's on the move. I think she's going to be rising today.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Let's have a look. I might scalp a few more.
But that is not like a small movement because we raised nearly 1,000 pips today.
Easy. Well, it's gone from 36 to 35. So it's done that. It's still within that range. Still hasn't hit 35 again. But I think it might go for it now.
Yeah. We still have one gap. If we go to the hour.
Yes. Yeah, I've seen those.
We still have the one gap. Let's see if it will push through.
Yes.
But the best thing is have the overview of it, and especially if you're not familiarized, just wait for the signal.
Yeah, absolutely. You have to wait for the signal. Matthias, I'm going to take this call. Now, did I say I think I said to him, call me after 1 o'clock, which was a mistake, but I'm going to take this call. Excuse me.
Okay, don't worry.
Hi, how you doing?
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I can hear you now. It's still rising. That's amazing. And on my case, I have only one runner for today. Hello, Quant.
Hi, can you hear me? Sorry, I had a call. It was the garage. The car needs a new battery.
No, don't worry. We're still on the rise. It's still going up.
So, have we had another? We haven't had any more signals, have we?
No.
Not yet.
That's last signal that he sent. I went to entry on that on 47, 87, 50, around there.
Mm-hmm.
And I went all the way to TP
3.
Yeah.
It took a good 40 minutes, didn't it? 35, 40 minutes.
Yeah. Took some time.
So it's still going up now. We didn't have any red envelopes, red letters today, did we?
No. Not for USD. We don't have anything major today. But yeah, it's still going up. We don't have a new signal, but I still have a small runner on that one.
Okay. The runners were, was it 4, 10, 20, 30 and 40?
Yeah, I still will leave for the higher on the day.
Okay.
And if we pushing through it, let's see.
Yeah, it's going up.
It's going up, yeah.
It's always interesting when New York comes in.
Yeah, it's amazing. If you're on the right direction, of course.
Yes.
As you can see here, we were talking about that gap on the 1 hour. Can you see that gap here?
Yeah.
And we were talking about that gap before. And let's see if we keep pushing and close that gap.
Okay. How many minutes have you got the trade view on?
That's 1 hour. It's going up
1 hour.
strong.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
If I put 1 minute, you will see the candle, the difference of the candle.
Yeah.
He's going up. He's 20 now.
So it's reached 20. So it hit on Friday. It hit Mark's runners.
Yeah.
Because I said to him, I was really, when I could see it going, and I said to him, I was waiting, and he said he did.
He did very well. He sent me a screenshot. I will put on the Facebook stories later on.
Yeah.
He did very well.
That's really good.
And it's just the patience, because he has a lot of it. he keeps the runners there to do the hard work for him.
Yeah, he's really good, isn't he? He's really good like that. And it needs a bit of courage as well.
Yeah, you need to be brave.
But he's been doing it for some time now, so he's really good. He's very, very good.
Yeah, when you get used to it, then it's mechanical. It's like we said, when you are on that step, making things mechanical is much easier.
I think my hay fever wants to...
Yeah, mine will start soon. I can feel that. Bless you.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, again, excuse me.
Bless you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let's see, a small retracement, but it's still going up.
Yeah.
If I put on the 1 hour, I'm still thinking that we'll close the gap on the 1 hour. That means we will go to 30, 31.
What is the gap? Because I can't, because you're on the iPad, I can't put my trade view. What?
1 hour.
Yeah, that's 1 hour. But what
can you see here?
Yeah. What does it need to make it up to close that gap?
To 30, 31.
31.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's still plenty to go up. Let's see.
Yeah. Because it came down and it's going back up now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we call that retracement when it comes back. Yeah, so it's retracing, and then sometimes it does that, takes a little breather, and it shoots back up.
Yeah.
Fast little. So it went down. I thought it's going to go up. That's when I took that extra little scalp.
Amazing.
Yeah, absolutely. So,
and if you're not crazy with your lot size, you can always do those things, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, that's what I found that's happening, right? That's what I found that's happening, is that I'm able to look at that. Something's going on with my phone. Dunlop from... Okay, interesting. I put this fantastic screen. What can I say? I put this software onto my iPhone, which screens my calls if they don't know who they are.
Yeah, mine does.
It's sometimes a bit of a pain, but it's absolutely marvelous. It's got my spam calls down to nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good to protect yourself. I have that on mine and on my family's as well.
Yes.
Yeah, no, I have them, and it's really good. And it tells you where the call came from, doesn't it? If there's a if it's a landline.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Instead, I prefer it instead of it keep blooming ring. I won't answer a number that I don't. If they leave a message and I need to get back, you do.
Yeah.
Who's got time to keep telling people to go away?
Yeah.
You know.
Well, the problem is they don't listen, do they?
No, but you know what I never understand is I hear lots of people who say that they ended up in a scam or something. And I think, why would you answer a number you don't know? Why?
Yeah.
Why? If you don't know the number, if it is something important, the person will leave a message and you know whether it's relevant to you or not. If it's nothing to do with me, it can't be. I can't have if I haven't had a car accident, nobody owes me any compensation, do they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, if I haven't bought a lottery, if I haven't been to Spain, I haven't got a bloody lottery ticket from Spain that I've won, and you want £4,000 from me for me to.
Oh, you really have some interesting calls. I've never had a lottery from Spain, even a fake one.
I just don't. If you haven't been to Spain and bought a bloody lottery ticket, how have you won a bloody lottery? How do you need to work it out and then you start paying people £4,000 because you think you've won the lottery in Spain and they're going to give you 4 million, but you've never been to Spain and you've never bought a ticket. I mean, how hard is that to work out?
Well, the problem is that your data's being sold all the time now by people.
Yeah.
Right. You know, so that's how all these calls are coming through. It's not a surprise. It's not a coincidence, but they're coordinated financial fraud, right? And that's what they're doing. And but look, it is, and it's another life. And what do you do? I think the time's here where you need a junk phone number as well as a junk email address.
Yeah.
Right, so you can just put that down on every form that you fill in. But it's part and parcel of life, and I think the thing is that, you know, as we were saying this morning, that what you need to do is you need to be doing your little bit for your day. So you know, hit your target. You know, look at your trading day, and you know. And I did say to you guys, I've hit my target. I've done, but I think there's so much opportunity, and we're sat here for another hour and a half. So you might as well take it, right?
Yeah.
If you see a trade or if you see a signal, you might as well take it. So, you know, because it means you're ahead of your target.
And we're sitting here, aren't we?
If you
so that
in front of the screen we are now.
But it's how you make use of your time, isn't it?
Yeah,
100%.
So
100%.
And for me, it's great because it means I don't eat. I don't think about eating. Otherwise, if I'm bored, then I keep thinking about eating because I'm bored, not because I'm hungry. And this is a female thing. You get something sweet, and then you didn't need it, but then you want something savoury. So then you get something savoury, but then you want something sweet. I don't think about eating because I'm sitting here, you know, watching the charts and chatting to you guys. So for me, it's a win-win. Instead of what chocolate can I have now, even though I don't need a chocolate.
So now we've got. I'm on the 1 minute chart, and so the previous low that it hit, you just saw that came down to 84.03, and it's just bouncing back up. Right? So if it doesn't go through, it'll go back up. If it pushes through, then it could go all the way down again to 47.86. So let's see what happens now, right? So I've got 3 positive 1 minute candles. So it'll either go, and then we can see if it can break that high at 48.21 and do it again. Right. And this is where experienced traders, people that know the order flows, and particularly our signals team are absolutely fantastic at spotting these opportunities. Yeah.
So do you think if it goes up, comes back down to 803 or 803, 804, then it'll have another go?
Well, look, the market is very sensitive to the news and, you know, what's happening in the state. And then, of course, during the day, so basically they don't really care about the news. They care about what's happening to oil, what's happening to the dollar.
Yeah.
Right? But in the volatility is where all the money's made.
Yeah.
So you could absolutely smash out today with what's going on. The market is so predictable. It's so slow, moving really, really well. So, Mercedes, how many TPs have we hit today? Has our trading team put that up? Or not yet?
On the morning was 17.
Yeah.
Now we have 6 more. Over 23 already.
Amazing. Yeah.
It's just amazing. And we have the
23. So £10 a trade is £230.
Yeah.
Right? £20 a trade, £460. So it's there, isn't it, for the taking?
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah. And 23, even £2-3 a trade is £45-50. £50 is £1,000 a month.
It's a lot for sitting here speaking.
Yeah.
And just you have your coffee, you're talking to one another, you're putting the world to rights. And there's no stress.
No, there is no stress. Well, there is if the lot size is too big and you put in too many trades.
But so
right.
Yeah.
Then it's all stress.
Yeah. But that goes back to what you were saying earlier, that learning, that navigation.
Yeah.
And keeping it in your control, because it is in your while the market's not in your control, what you do is in your control, isn't it?
Well, it's you who presses the button.
Yeah.
Right?
So yeah.
So
it
went up a little bit. It's come down a little bit. Let's see if it comes back to 803, I think it was, or it starts moving back up. Let's see what goes.
So
it's fascinating though, isn't it?
It is.
We can spend all day looking at it.
Yeah, it is. It's a.
Sometimes I put the TV on and then I think, sod that, I'd rather watch the market.
Yeah.
Right, because that's where I'm making the money, right? I'm not making money while I'm watching TV, am I?
No.
Right?
No. So did you guys have a break between the 10 and 12?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's 10 and 1, isn't it? So
10 and 1, sorry,
Yeah, had a cup of tea, sat down, had a little chat, spoke to the contractors, had a little chat with them. Yeah, made a couple of phone calls, and then it's back.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm still a little bit disorientated from travel. So,
you must be.
Yeah, so
will take you a week to.
Yeah.
No, it won't take me a week, but I was like, oh, I'm going to be on. No, it's 12 o'clock. What time do I come up? What time do I go? Oh, no, it's 1 o'clock. It was that. At 10 to 12, Matthias, I was like, okay, I've got to do this thing, right? and we had a meeting with our team, our development team. And Matthias, we got 2 leads.
That's it. Amazing.
Yeah. And we got 2 leads already from it, right? So, look at the name of the game is community, building businesses, trading, making money, right?
Yeah.
And so if you pay attention to that, then the rest of it just sorts itself out. That's all I think.
Yeah.
But the sun is shining.
Okay. So it's gone down to 8:02.
Yeah, it's dropped a bit now.
Yeah, it went to 8:02, back up to 8:03.
Yeah, dropped back. Let's see if it goes through that. So it's see what I mean?
Yeah.
And if you learn to watch these charts and see what the patterns are, because the pattern just keeps repeating. So it could go through lower now.
Yeah.
So or it could go back up. So these are not the points to enter, I don't think. What do you think, Matthias?
I think so. You made your money already. You protect your capital now because the market doesn't have direction yet. You can see on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
If breaks through that point now, could go all the way to 47.90 again or further. And then if we have the push, then you can just join the ride, because that will go to close the gap on the 1 hour.
Yes.
But then it's just the patience, because we got TP3 on the last signal. It's just waiting for the next signal, or just the patience here.
Yep.
Because it's ranging on the 1 minute. And if he breaks that, could go back again, and then you have a better entry to buy as well.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, definitely. Patience is the key, right?
Yeah.
So it's back to 8:02.
Let's see what our traders are doing. Yeah, 320 pips, 48.20 hit.
A lot of pips today.
So that was a little while ago, 10 minutes ago.
So
well, it just shows you how well it works.
But it's so good to be able to do it like this, because it is really isolating for somebody, especially somebody new who doesn't, because there's quite a few people in the group that know, and they've done it before, haven't they? Tony, Mark's been doing it for a while. Steve's gone missing, I think we said.
Doesn't matter. Let's talk about the people that are here, not the people. Don't worry about the people that are not.
But the human people, nature. There's people that know, don't they? Okay, so it's down to 4800. Let's see how far it goes down.
Could come on that point again and then push up 47.90 if it drops.
Let's see where it goes.
Let's be patient.
And there is a time, isn't there, when it's just dragging, buyers and sellers in.
Yeah.
That would knock out all the stop losses, and then it suddenly starts shooting up.
Yeah. So I went, the village has a walking group on a Monday morning, and at 10:30 for an hour. So I went for a walk, and I found out the pig that keeps running away, his name is Sausage.
That's imaginative, isn't it? Somebody really had intelligence there. We'll call the pig Sausage.
but you don't know, Cam, on Saturday he nearly stopped the M25 because he lives totally to the other side of the village to me, and he lives if you had to walk, it's about 15-20 minutes to the M25 where he lives, and he found his way to the M25 roundabout, and they had to go and get him on Saturday.
Wow.
Ridiculous.
If he keeps walking on that way,
the best thing they could do with that pig is turn him into a sausage. That would be fine.
They treat him like a pet though now, so I don't think that's going to happen.
But that's the thing. If he keeps walking around, somebody
will make him a sausage.
A messy one.
And it's funny because last week, when he walked into the village, we only have pavement on one side of the road. So how he walked, and for a human, that walk is about 20 minutes, 25. So I don't know how long it would take a pig who's ambling about, and how he didn't get.
Does it? It's not like he's got anywhere to be. Like, I've got a doctor's appointment this afternoon.
No. knows what he's thinking.
He's not. You know what I mean? He's like, oh, well, gotta hurry up, pig. I've got a doctor's appointment, or gotta get to school, or hey, I'm picking the little piglets up from school.
I know. Sometimes he has the 3 or 4 little ones with him as well.
Well,
but
he's obviously then picked them up from school, hasn't he?
and taken them home and put them away for safety.
Yeah. Pigs in blankets, eh?
Yeah. That was a dad joke, Cam.
Did you like that one?
It does keep us amused, because when the goats come out, they're always with one of the small Shetland ponies. So you have 2 or 3 goats and a little Shetland pony that's about 6 inches bigger than them.
Interracial relationships, eh? Or interspecies relationships. Whatever next.
But they do look funny when they're all walking down the road, as if they're really going somewhere with a purpose.
Well, they are. They're like going to the M1 to watch all the humans in the cars. No, they're going down to the M25 to watch all the stupid humans in the tin boxes running around. Yeah, working and getting all annoyed whilst these guys just amble along in the fields. Right?
Yeah, wondering what they're doing. So it's climbing up again, 807.
There it is. I can see it.
Okay, let's break that.
Yep. Come on. Make me some more money. Make me some more money. You see now that where it's got to, that previous little high where it reversed from, see, that could be the resistance. So it's really strange how the market works.
Yes.
Yeah, it might not go above that, might bounce back, but it needs to go through it.
And it's really low now for...
Well, it had that massive push, didn't it, when New York opened? Or actually before New York opened.
Before New York.
Yeah, it needs some more liquidity now and etc. And maybe waiting on something. So...
That's nearly the end of the first hour. Let's see if we'll push all the way.
Good God, nearly an hour, 45 minutes gone already. Where did that go, huh? We're having
Time's
so
flying.
much fun.
When you're having fun.
We're having so much fun, yeah. Lovely.
That's the 5 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if we go to the top again.
Mm. Seems to run out of steam a little bit at this moment in time, hasn't it?
Yeah.
It kind of starts to dither, doesn't it?
Yeah, it doesn't, just candles are very small, movements very small. But then, you know what, over time, over a couple of hours, that could just creep up and creep up and creep up. And sometimes that slow move is actually much higher, and it climbs much, much more.
It's trying.
Mm-hmm.
It's still there.
But
But
you see how it gets stuck at a certain point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 807.
Mm-hmm.
So it's on its way back. See how far it goes.
Mm.
Maybe it's just waiting for the next countdown, next hour. Let's see.
Yeah. Just not doing anything now, right?
No. But at least, look, we have done the last signal.
Yeah.
That is TP3 plus. That means you're not on a rush as well.
Yeah,
No.
and it's just flouncing between that small range, isn't it?
Yeah.
804, 807. It's just. Okay.
Is this the push out? It's getting to that point now.
It's
at least a 20. Come on.
Matthias, wouldn't it be funny if it shouted back at you, "I'm trying"? But when you said, "Go on, at least till 20," and if something shouted back to say, "All right, Matthias, I'm trying," can't you see?
Right. Push harder then.
Interesting life, eh?
How was India, Cam? Progression made since you went last? When did you go last?
I haven't been for about 10 years.
I haven't been now for 10 years, which is a long time. For the previous 15 years, I used to go 2 or 3 times a year.
Yeah. I really don't see it. You know, there's still just as much. So I went to Goa for a week, which was a 5-star resort. Security was incredible. You know, beach was really nice. The pools and everything. I didn't much care for the food. Some of the restaurants were closed.
Really?
So yeah, the food wasn't amazing. So we had to kind of find it, as it were. So it was very different, you know, like I said, all the pools, the quality of everything, room was beautiful.
Yeah.
But, you know, it was a 5-star resort and it cost, you know, sort of the nightly room rate was like the best part of probably a month's Indian person's salary.
Yeah.
I met some nice people there. What a great time. And then we went to the Punjab, flew to Amritsar. We spent 3 days there, visiting the Golden Temple. Wagah border.
Yeah.
That was really nice. I invited my parents there as well. So we stayed there just by the airport, beautiful hotel. And then we went to the village.
Yeah.
And it was nice. Being in the house is really relaxing. Travel's a bit of a pain because the road's not brilliant.
Yeah.
Traffic, I don't drive anywhere other than the UK. So that was that. So yeah, met some beautiful people. We had a lot of family that was out there.
Oh, okay.
So we joined up with them and had 3 or 4 really good nights out with them. And then we flew back to Mumbai from Delhi. Our plane was, so we ended up being delayed. Well, not delayed. Flight got cancelled after 4 hours. Spent a night in a hotel in Mumbai. Came the following day.
Okay.
So then we were here so we got home on Saturday night. No, Sunday night? Yeah, we got home on Sunday night. And Monday morning I booked to go to Dubai on Tuesday.
Yeah.
And so, because originally we were going to go to Dubai, that was closed. I had some business to do there. So we were here for like 48 hours. We went to Dubai for 10 days.
So you managed to get your Dubai trip in.
Yeah. So yeah, we were away for 33 days. So yeah. So great to be home.
Yeah, it always is, isn't it?
Yeah, met some lovely, beautiful people. Connected with some lovely people. So some friends of mine from the UK. Went had dinner with them in Dubai. Same thing in India. Yeah, it was very eye-opening in terms of seeing other people, how they work, what they do, and then yourself, a lot of time for reflection in a month.
Yeah.
So no, good stuff, really good stuff.
Great.
Okay, back to 804.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's trying to break out. It's not doing it, is it?
It's not doing. He's stuck on that way now.
Yeah, it's not coming down either.
Yeah. But that's good. That means could be the push.
I think it's going to push up. Yeah, I think it's going to push up. So sometimes it does that, picks up liquidity, messes around for quite a while.
Yeah. Then hopefully it'll go.
Are you doing any open trades, any of you?
I just have one runner, but that's it. I booked the profit on the last one. I just kept that open but it's very low, 0.02, the runner.
Yeah.
The stop is on the break even.
Yeah. Okay. So where are you hoping to take it to with your runner?
At least for the top. Now, let's see on the 1 hour.
So what's the top for you? 1 hour?
The top on the 1 hour will be closing the gap at least 48.50.
Yeah.
But it went back down to 801 this time, but still just nearer 802, and it's trying to climb. So this might be your climb.
Let's see. Otherwise, like I said, we protect ourselves.
Yeah.
Stop loss on break even, book profits, and that's it.
Yeah, you took that one. Did you say, was it 87 for 787? Was that one?
Yeah, 50.
Tez, wasn't it? Yeah. But it's just going up and down between, isn't it? It stayed in that same range from 802.
It's still on the range. Let's wait for the next hour. Now it's coming.
Yeah.
And sometimes it's like that. After the big push, just stays steady, building more liquidity, and then we can push up again.
See on the 1 minute. Cool one. It hit that.
Yeah.
And it's going back up again. So that's the range that it's in.
Yeah.
But it's very narrow. I wish the range was up to 41.21.
Yeah.
Which is where it's been. Yeah. Then you could really make a lot of money.
Yeah. It's very small, the range now.
Yeah, it's too tight.
Yeah, even we can see that on the 1 minute, but let's see on the 5 minutes. Yeah, you can see a small range on the 5 minutes.
You can't even tell the range on the 5 minutes, can you?
Yeah,
the
the 1 minute. The 1 minute you can see nice. Up, down, up, down. Yeah.
Ideally, you want to be able to see that on the 5 minutes. Then you know it's good 50-60 pips.
Yeah.
I trade a ranging market if it's reasonably really well. I can take it up and down all day long. Love a ranging market.
That's great.
Yeah. Oh, come on. We're getting bored now. Do something.
Yeah. I like the snipers.
Yes. Yeah. Well, we should have Mr. Farrell on in a bit, so he'll bring a bit of a life to the party, I suppose.
Come on.
Oh, excuse me.
Let me share what we have done today. Meanwhile.
Yes, please. Let's do that. And then I've got to. I just remembered I promised to send that copy of my statement to our marketing team. So I'll just do that whilst you're doing that. Hopefully I've saved one. I don't have to print another one off. Of course, I haven't saved one.
As we can see here, we start to buying since 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
5:02, and we have plenty of TPs today. TP1, TP2,
Yeah.
and another buy straight away, and that went really well as well.
Mm.
TP1, TP2, come back to TP1, another TP3 on that one.
Brilliant.
And then time to time we will share the screenshots, and you can see the entry point and where the market is going as well.
Mm-hmm.
And some videos with updates. More TP3s. And more signals as well. And that's all over since 5 o'clock in the morning. 8 o'clock, we still have signals. Another TP2, TP3. And those are the entries that we all like, the sniper entries. You enter to the trade and you straight away go to TP1, TP2, and sometimes
like
even
that.
TP3.
We like that, don't we?
Yeah. Now, 8:30 in the morning, we already had 17 TPs.
Yeah.
Another TP1, TP2. That was only 9:30. Another TP3. And that was another beautiful sniper entry.
Yeah.
We have plenty of snipers today. Now we cannot complain, isn't it?
No.
Look those entries, insane entries as well, all the way to TP3.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, today was a great start of the week.
Yeah. Hey, listen, it's only 2 o'clock.
Yeah. Yeah, we still have more signals coming through.
Yeah. Yeah, we've got a quiet hour, so let's see what hour 2 from New York. Well, we had a massive close to London, not close to London, pre New York, right?
Yeah. The pre-New York was nice, but then now it's just steady on that range. Yeah, will be a lot of pips today.
So for those of you that are watching, whether it's a replay, what's going on here is that we've just put a screenshot up of all the trade signals that were given today. And so those are the results of trades taken earlier as to how many pips each one of those trades has gained. How much money you've actually gained is depending on your lot size and how close you got to those. It's quite a difficult thing to be able to get all of those. But you with a year of experience behind you should be able to do that all day long. We should have my friend Mark coming on, who's really good. He's been trading for a year now, and he will talk about his experiences and what he does with the runners and everything else that he does. So should be really interesting session with him as well.
Fantastic. Let's see.
So it's really still not really gotten beyond that point of 802, 803. You know, I suppose 4800 is the key for the bears. That's what they'll be looking to achieve. Yeah. So, you know, getting into 4800 is one thing, but keeping it below it will be another.
Yeah. We just start another hour. You see that push before the New York Open?
Yeah.
And after that, that's it. It's just that ranging.
Yeah, well, we've had 2 hours of selling now.
Yeah.
Even this hour, there's you know, it's selling. So we might get that. It might come down into that. If you look on the hour, there's a massive cluster just below of ranging market. Might come down to that. And it may have done its high today of 48.35.
Could be, yeah.
Yeah. There's no more news, as in the conflict news.
Yeah. It's more stable now, at least for now.
If you push that to the 1 minute, Matthias, it'll give you a better idea. I know you can see that massive gap and it'll get filled, but that doesn't mean it'll get filled today.
Yeah,
it could be in 2 weeks' time or tomorrow or 6 weeks' time. The market doesn't care for the gap. Only we are seeing it because we want to analyze the market in that way.
Yeah.
Yeah. The market doesn't care about our graphs.
I remember we saw a lot of gaps on the last month, and that will come to the gap. We never came to those gaps anymore.
No. Well, our timescale can be very different to what the market timescale is, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the market timescale is the market timescale. It could be in a year's time, could be in 2 weeks' time, could be a month's time. Yes, they'll eventually get filled. Yeah, but then it's just the price crossing over, isn't it?
That's why don't leave money on the table. Take the profits, even if you think it's going all the way. Just book the profits.
No, just, you know, take your stop loss up.
Yeah.
Right? Take your stop loss up if that's what's going to happen. So there's lots of ways, lots of methods of trading, and a little bit of experience will help.
Yeah.
And, you know, certainly accelerate, you know, the signals will accelerate your journey probably by 2 years. And then the experience that you gain from that in the next 6 months will stand you in really good stead. Come on, how long have you been trading now?
Oh, only 4 months.
That's
Only
fantastic,
4
isn't it?
months. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, only 4 months.
Mm-hmm.
I never understood half of the terminology. Well, not half, all of it. The terminology that was sometimes used, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And even now, sometimes, you know, when the signals come and then after there's some explanation of this DCC and that, and I look it up to see what an FVG is.
Yeah. Yeah,
and the
absolutely.
other funny thing is that, so, you know, when you kind of don't understand, and then you think you understand 2 weeks down the line, and then you do understand, and it's a really nice feeling when it suddenly dawns to say, that's and that's that's a really good feeling.
Well, it's like standing in a dark room, isn't it? Then somebody suddenly turns the lights on.
Yeah, it really is.
Yeah.
So this is now going up. So
it's
got to 9 and it was hanging around 800. So it's, you know.
Yeah, at least it's breaking that line.
I spoke too soon. It's showing me it's coming back. But that might just be a retrace to.
That's nothing. That's absolutely nothing. Yeah.
And that's because we are looking.
I look at it, Cam. It's like it's filling up on spinach again. You know, like Popeye.
Yeah.
To then lift.
Well, it broke through those previous.
It broke through the 7-8, didn't it? Yeah, it broke through the 7-8.
Yeah.
So. Which then, you know, gives you confidence that it'll continue.
Yeah.
Because last week, Matthias and I were, I think it was just Mark who wanted it to push, and we were really willing it for him, and it did in the afternoon.
Yeah.
We were really willing it, all of us.
Fantastic.
I didn't have any trades, but that's what's nice about being in the classroom, isn't it? Because it's about everybody. It's not just about yourself.
Not at all. It's never about all of us. It should never be about just you.
Exactly. It's about all of us. And Matthias and I were really willing it on behalf, you know.
I mean, look at that. I just hit one of my TVs just hit. Brilliant.
So you've good. So you've.
Amazing.
Was that from this morning? One of the trades you held out from this morning?
No, put it in just now.
Oh, okay. Well, you was okay.
So, look, I can trade. I love following the signals, but I don't always. If the signals don't appear, it doesn't mean I can't trade.
Yeah.
So when it was dropping down, I saw it wouldn't come down to the 4800 and 4801. So I put a couple of trades in. Again, small lot sizes, but you know, set the TP at 4810. Hit that just now.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah. And that's the key, isn't it?
Yeah.
And booking the profits, that's the key.
Booking the profit. Yeah. Taking it. It's gone.
Good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this could push up now.
Yeah, because it's
yeah.
At least that point we passed at that point 07, 08.
Yeah.
And it's nice to see some movement after the hour as well.
Yeah. So did you see the copy trading on Friday? Good, nice bit of profit.
Yes, and I before what they used to do was just put on. But this lot, what they did, so I saw it on Friday.
Just talk about your profit.
Yeah, it was really good. It was really good.
What you did was buggered up your own calculations, thought that your account wasn't showing the right balance, right? So let's talk about the positive, not the stupidity, right?
But no, it was really good. But what they do is they send you kind of the statement of the profit and the statement of
how much money did you make? What percentage did you gain on your account?
122 pounds.
Thank
well
you.
Done.
Oh, what did you have to do for that?
Sleep.
Nothing.
Sleep.
There you go. Right.
I slept.
Yeah. I came off the plane on whatever day it was, Friday, and I've got like £400 profit on my account.
That's brilliant.
Whoa. Yeah, so all I had to do is sit on a plane.
Yeah. No, brilliant. Thank you.
Yeah, fantastic. And how do you find it? Because we were obviously trading all the time, etc., etc., etc. Now you're probably seeing 2 days of trade, if that.
So we only attached that last week, Matej, because Mateus had been so busy while you've been holidaying.
Yeah.
For 33 days.
Yeah, only 33. Yeah.
So Mateus was so busy, so I left poor Mateus. So till he got a breather, and I knew you were back. So we only attached it last Tuesday.
Yeah.
Because it was sitting there, it was fine. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
2 weeks, it's fine. It's no big deal. So last Tuesday, when Mateus had a little bit of time, so we attached it. So it was interesting that it only traded on the Friday, but that's fine.
Last month, they only traded for like 4 days.
Yeah.
Maybe 17%.
Yeah. No. So that was absolutely fine.
Yeah. So it's completely different to the other copy trading that we do, but I'm really enjoying it because this year the drawdown's been so. You did you auto scale it twice, Mateus?
Yeah, it was twice.
Yeah. So this year, if you'd have been in from January, you'd have made 150% on your money, and you would only have had a drawdown of 8% maximum.
Well, let's hope it continues its year the way it's commenced.
Not to be honest with you. Yeah. No, there's no reason for it not to.
Yeah.
Right.
So let's hope it continues in that.
Yeah.
And even on the
this is looking hopeful that this is going to push through the barriers.
I'm going to make some good money now.
Well done.
So I've got a TP set at 20 and 30.
Okay.
Yeah.
From the runners, or are they?
Not really runners, I'd say. Just decent profit, just 100 pips. Sometimes what I do is I look at the signals, I take the signal, and then I adjust it as it's moving onwards.
Yeah.
So I'll set my TP to, and then if I think it's going to go above it, I'll take it off and move it up. I do manage my trades.
Yeah. But that is the thing. You're in front of it and you taking care of it. That is the main goal as well for everyone.
It's my business. It's my job.
Yeah.
I don't subscribe to all this bullshit about walking around. What are you going to do walking around? Scratch your ass? Sit down. Yeah, shut up. Turn the crap off. Turn all the noise down. Make some money.
That's it.
Right?
Poor Mateus had us to... Poor Mateus for 30 days had us on his back.
But Warren Buffett's not scrolling Facebook, is he, while he's making billions?
That's it.
No.
Yeah. You think Mark Zuckerberg's on his Facebook account all day? Yeah, looking at what shit's on there. No, he sells you that crap.
You need to use that.
Isn't it amazing? I never understand how people don't get that.
Because the algorithms are very, very addictive.
Yeah.
They're designed to keep you there.
It's dopamine.
Yeah.
Mm.
That's what it's all about.
It'll be interesting to see if our government does make.
It doesn't matter
they
what the
ban
government
the
do.
under 16-year-olds from social media.
Then you can go and get a VPN for 10 quid a month, pretend you're in Timbuktu, right? It's just nonsense. These stupid old politicians haven't got a clue.
It's
right? And all it is they want to be seen to be doing something. Right?
Kids find a way.
It's your parents' job.
Kids will all. Nobody tells in this country. Nobody tells the parents it's their job.
Right?
We all want somebody else.
You're a parent, right? Act like one.
So,
here
it's
your job to educate your child to not to want to be on social media all the time.
Yeah.
No, here they want somebody else to tell their child to brush. It's shocking. I mean, children going to school without having their teeth brushed. Children going to school and they're not able to go to the bathroom. What nonsense! What absolute utter nonsense!
Yeah.
But they want someone else to do it for them. I don't know who they want to do it for them.
I think so. You have your responsibility on that, isn't it? If you want to be a parent,
Come on.
I think it's the same old story. I don't think it's been any different. I think it's just highlighted much more now.
Yeah.
But the only way I look at it, Cam, is I went to school, and I can tell you now, there was every kid was able to brush their teeth. I'm at 5 years old. I look back at all the children. I can tell you their names, their parents, what we did, what we didn't do. There wasn't any of the issues they have today. I don't understand it.
Maybe they did, and maybe they just were brushed under the carpet. Maybe we've always had issues, and maybe we just didn't get to hear about it because somebody hasn't plastered it all over social media.
Possibly, but I don't remember anybody in class. I can remember the children that were a little brighter than others and things like that. But I don't remember any child being unkempt, unclean. I just don't remember any of that. There's one or two children that certainly do stick in my mind because they were a little bit different. And when now I think about it, I think they may have been. But that's one in my whole junior school from the age of 5 to 11, and one in the whole senior school from 11 to 18.
Right, let's see if this is going to break through now.
Right, come on.
8:16. Right, are you going to 21? Give me my next TP. Right.
Yeah, that was the biggest point.
Come on.
Give some emotion here.
Fantastic.
I think it's going to do it. 17.
Yeah, it's pushing through. That's going to go to that 21. Whether it pushes through from there is another matter. Well, we were on Thursday when it was like all doing so well, then it just like went slam dunk down.
Yeah, I think so. Was Thursday.
Thursday, wasn't it?
Yeah.
God.
Yeah, we were just about there. Oh, sod that, right?
Yeah, that's why it's important. Book your profits.
Yeah, it decided
Book
not
your
to.
profits.
Don't leave money on the table. Yeah.
Not quite.
So it's what, 18, 19? 19.
Yeah, it got to 19 something.
Yeah, because I usually have it on the minute candle.
Yeah, I've got it in a minute. Yeah.
I don't always understand what it's doing, but it sounds good, doesn't it? That when I say I have it on the minute candle.
Absolutely. Make people think you're intelligent just by looking at you.
Yes. You learn a couple of words and you think. I remember I was coming back from Canary Wharf when I walked there, and I had a phone call, and I remember somebody saying to me, "Are you a teacher?" I said yes. And I came home and told the children just from my conversation. And I think, oh gosh, it's the one thing I couldn't teach. I'd want to kill the children, the way they behave today.
Oh.
But I still said yes. And the children looked at me when I came home and told them. They said, "You said yes." I said, "Yeah." I said, "If she'd have said, 'Are you a doctor?' I'd have said yes to that as well." It's trying again.
Mark is coming on the call as well.
I think
it's going. It's going. It's going.
I think it's going to go through your 21, which means then it should get to your 30, Matthias.
I'm at 20, so that TP on there's 20.
Okay, and I think Matthias wants it to get to 40.
Even further. Let's go further. But yeah, 40. We will close. Let's see the gap. Yeah. But at least it's going up a little bit more.
We'll go through the 20 now. It'll go through now. No, it's going to have another go.
Yeah.
And sometimes around 3 o'clock it goes a bit nuts.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, 3 o'clock.
Doesn't it?
Action time. Yeah.
Around 3 o'clock it sometimes, it's like somebody's just electrocuted it with a taser. Isn't it? The way it...
Yeah, it's because of the movement on the American session, New York session.
Well, they open at 10, don't they? So 1 o'clock to 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yes.
So some of the traders may come in at that time. So maybe the volumes start going up.
Yeah.
It's more liquidity there as well.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, Mark is here. Hello, Mark.
Hi, mate. You okay?
Oh, great. Thank you. And you?
Yeah, good. Thanks. I was supposed to jump on, mate. It was mindful of time. I wanted to get on early. I've just been in.
How are you, Mr. Farrell?
Good. Yeah, I'm good. Thanks. How are you?
Hey, Mark.
Good.
All right. You had a good day.
Yeah, we're having a great day.
Yeah, I've not hit my target, but my lot size has increased today, so that's increased my daily target by 50% from what it was last week. So
Wow.
I've hit like last week's target, you know what I mean? So
just a small increment then.
Yeah, no, it's good. It's good.
I've hit,
I'm not in anything at the minute. I would, I would normally stop at 2 because I've been a little bit in and out today. I've had a few appointments this morning and took Jessica to school. Did a little bit this morning and I was about £100 up. But I had a little TP1 reversal later on, and then I just locked one in when I went into an appointment. And I think that's the one that reversed. Obviously, bigger lot size now. But then came home, Jump back into 2 new trades, and I've had 3 that have hit TP5, so that's done me like.
Brilliant.
Held out for TP5, so it's been nice.
Yeah, what you're seeing now, where do you think it's going to go? Is it topped out for the day? It's got a bit more steam.
It's the highest is 8. The highest was actually, funny enough, I actually put the TP to 84822 on my last trade, only because the TP on that was 4802. TP4 was 4812 and TP5 was 422. Even though Matthew had 10 and 20, I just tried to round it off to, it was 100 on each TP, and good enough, it broke the 20 and went to 22 and then come back.
Yeah.
So it was quite fortunate there. I think if it breaks the 22, then it will go on to 30. A bit like the other day, it's the same again. We've had this Thursday, Friday now where it's been 4830. It's been like the big one. Because it done it on Thursday, it done it on Friday, and then shot up to 480. And I got in on that on Friday. That rounded my day off really nice. Just on the tennis.
Well, there you go, guys. That's hit. I got that one.
Has it hit?
I got one. Yeah, I hit 20. So my TP was set at 20. So I've got that one in the bag. I've got one more to go, which is set at 30. Let's see what happens. Not fussed. Couple of £100 up today.
Is this the last trade? The last one, is it? I'm out now. I've used all my lot size.
Yeah, I just just got one. We haven't had a signal for a while, but because the thing is, Mark, because we're now sat here watching and discussing the market, I'm not doing anything else. I'm not scrolling. I've got no attention. So even if the signal doesn't come through, I can trade.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was just ranging. So I just kept scalping 20 pips, 10 pips, 5 pips. But it just goes, doesn't it? So now I've got one in. I thought, right, I'll take that up to 30. Right?
Oh, nice. I got ahead of myself when I've done that previously. So I just thought, no, stick to me guns.
You become very mechanical, which is great. Yeah. And I think you need to be mechanical. If you're not doing what we're doing now, which is sitting down, Matthias, what are your thoughts? Mark, what are your thoughts? We can read the market, right?
Yeah. So you're getting a bit of a reassurance from a second opinion, aren't you? Rather than thinking and then thinking
Then, as I said to you, I put my lot size right down. So if I do get myself into trouble, I can just leave it to run for a while.
Yeah.
Or if it hits stop loss, there's no, you know what I mean? There's nothing going. Nothing's happening. It is not effect. I'm not losing, 20% of my account or anything stupid like that, like we used to in the past.
Yeah, you know what? It's been really nice, especially Friday. Busy day, so I just set stuff, and then when it hit, and I picked Jessica up from school, I was just like, wow, I've got nothing carrying into the weekend here. I can just enjoy my weekend.
Absolutely. No. We decided not to do a session on a Friday afternoon just for that.
Yeah.
Right, 10 o'clock Friday.
It will go through to 30 now, won't it? It's at 20.
Very slow Friday. It will. It'll push to 30 now. That's what I mean. If it broke to 22, which was the high for the day.
Yeah.
25.
Well, the high for the day was 35 this morning.
Oh, right. It says on my NT5, it's 4825 at the moment.
No. The high for the day today was 48.35, and
put on daily, Graham.
Yeah, I am doing that.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like it's thingy past there today,
Yeah.
It's because it dropped a lot last night. If you see the break in the... Yeah, it's at its all-time high now, Cam.
Yeah, 48.35 it hit last night. I don't know what time,
I can't see that,
Look, go to the day.
It opened at 4.7, didn't it?
Something like that. It dropped quite a lot last night, didn't it? Then it went up. So if I do...
I've got it at 48.35 when it closed, and then when it's opened, it's
maybe. Am I looking at the wrong? So
I think so. Yeah.
Friday.
On
Hold
the
on, let me
daily,
just. Yeah, but my trading view is showing the day's range at 48.35 the high.
so it's like there's your gap from Friday.
Yeah,
Did-
Sunday.
Did
Sunday
it finish?
2300. I've
That's
got
it.
it on the 4 hour now. So if you look at last night, $2,300. Yeah, so I've got Sunday last night showing 2,300, 48.34. It dropped from there.
Yeah. So
It was
So
the close
what-
of the
what-
open, yeah. So
yeah.
yeah. So see, yeah, it looks like it's been to 35, but it hasn't. It dropped from 35 last night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just always go off, the quotes on NT5, and it lets you straight away.
Yes.
Obviously, going into the chart is a confirmation, but on there it says
Yeah.
like,
Yeah. So yeah, the day's range is still 35, but it dropped from there last night. So let's see what goes. We've come up again.
All-time high is not right now 48.26.
yeah.
Yeah.
So it's got to push past that.
Yeah, I think so. We'll do, because look, we need to close the gap here. Let's see. I will keep mine there. We'll book more profits. I think it's £45 on 0.02 on my last trade. On the runner.
Good, well done.
How's your day been, Cole?
It's been good. It's been
Yeah.
good. Yeah. The only daft thing I did is I was in the car just getting in when the trade about 12 o'clock. I think it was a buy limits. And I pressed it so quick
we got one.
that when it got to, and I just put TP1 in, and when I got home about 10, 15 minutes later, it had closed it, but it had only made 11 pence, Mark. Because, because like an idiot, where he'd said 490 was the range, I've obviously got it at 90.95. But instead of putting the TP1 or the TP2 figure in,
Okay, we've got a
I counted 91. But it still made 11 pence.
Take a look at that.
It's 17, 18.
My layers are set.
16.
I'm selling.
Just have a look at it, work on it, see what you want. If you're going to go in, going to enter it or not.
See the range, yeah.
Is it in range?
70 pips at the minute, aren't they? That'll come down to that.
16, 19.
Yeah, just getting into range now.
Yeah. TP1.
I'm not in. I haven't gone in manually. I've waited for me. Took the chance on my limit order.
23.
Let's go.
Amazing. Nearly TP2.
And if anybody's watching us, this is how fast it is. This is how fast you can make money. Our signal service is completely free.
Yeah.
So, we've had a couple of 3 leads. We'll get to you guys this evening or tomorrow. Just go on, either WhatsApp me or just scan that QR code, and we'll come to you. This is about as good as trading gets in terms of the education and the discussions that we can do, backed up by absolutely banging signals. I think I've done 11 profitable trades today so far.
Amazing.
It's hit TP2, so
yeah, it's TP2 already.
Yeah.
No, I didn't go in. My limit order wasn't activated.
Doesn't matter. You don't activate everyone, do you?
No.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to find. I'm trying to find that if it's close like that, I'm trying to find I tend to just stick with the limit order now.
Yeah.
Rather than jump in and then have a worse entry.
Mate, winning strategies, that's all we want. Stick to the strategy that is winning your trades, right?
Yeah.
That's all there is that goes.
All close. I'm not having runner. I have one runner on the bottom. That's it.
Yeah. Brilliant. Right. Profitable day. That's all we want.
That's it. Blue days.
To start the week, it's lovely when you get a good Monday.
Yeah, fantastic.
It's nice having a fantastic Monday.
Yeah.
Because sets up the tone for the week as well.
Mm-hmm.
And it's easy to reach the weekly target with a great Monday like that.
Yeah.
This is quite a good session. I'm not, obviously last week I was a bit all over the place and stuff in times and lots of distractions. But so it's the first day I've traded properly now. So I'll bag over £200, which is £100 a session. How's that?
Amazing.
Right. We've done 2 sessions today, £100 each. Thanks very much. Yeah. I'm paying myself.
That's it. That nice, is the key.
Nice.
See the 5 minutes.
I can hear trades being opened and closed. Who's that?
Yeah.
I can hear that sound. I recognise it anyway. It's like your baby. It's like your baby crying. You know it's your baby crying before everybody else does. I can hear somebody putting in trades.
I see you've inspired Matthew as well. He might be doing a live trading session.
Everybody copies me, mate.
Seen it on Friday. He was like, oh. Obviously, Cam's updated him on what he's been doing.
I actually haven't even spoke. I did speak to him a couple of times, but it was on other matters.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we didn't really talk about the lives. There's a couple of other things that we're working on, looking at. But that'd be interesting. But you see, once a week or once a fortnight, you need to do it on a daily basis.
I know. Yeah. I mean, the only good positive is that you will be picking things up from the strategy, things like that. Like, only things that I've taken from the Sunday sessions when we've previously been on them, because it has helped to understand the strategy of.
Yeah, sure. Look, the thing is this. I always go into a meeting and I think to myself, if I can come back with one piece of information that I can use, then I don't care if that took 10 hours, or 1 hour. If you read Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich, right?
Yeah.
It says there's a gift. I've got a gift for you. Do you remember it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it talks about there's a gift in this book, and we don't know whether it's in the first paragraph or the last one, or somewhere in between.
Yeah.
And what that talks to me about is the same principle of one nugget of information, right?
Another buy coming.
Another buy.
Yeah. We had no idea. Got in that. Yeah. So when he says that sometimes buy coming, I just press the button. And
I've done that before, but then he's been like,
when it stops,
like 20, 30 pips the other way, and I'm like, when you're at TP1 now, I'm going to be a break even.
Yeah, but the thing with that, Mark, is if you're looking at the market and you think, right, look at that now, I'm on the 1 minute. Yeah, my lot size is tiny, so I don't really care. If, the drawdown's not going to kill me, even if it hits stop loss. And then you just take it from there, right?
And then now you have the range. You can look at it and place your trades.
19.
One big push would be nice to finish the day.
Yeah. It's nearly 3 o'clock. That could be that push.
Usually happens after we end our live, right?
Yeah.
There you go. You got your 10 pips on that, surely.
Yeah, we are positive already.
Yeah. Should have hit TP1 by now.
TP1 is on, yeah.
There you go. Told you.
Yeah.
I don't do TP1 no more.
No, but it's there, isn't it? If you're
I did TP1 because I've done a good day and so I'm done.
Yeah. It's a plus.
It was the last because if
it's
there's no
year to get to that. TP1's brilliant. I used to take 50% at TP1. Do you know what I mean? It's It's about like confidence and then reframing that.
Yeah, but if you finish in the blue first Monday, it's a good start. All of it's been a good day, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, 100%. I always think you want the first trade to be positive that you take for the day, for the week.
Yeah.
And you want the first day to be positive, and you want the first and the last trade to be positive, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And he's going.
So Mark, Cowan nearly doubled her account taking TP1s. I remember TP1 you hit that 90% of the time. Yeah,
and it was all TP1s, and it was all 0.01.
No, I'm not knocking it. It's good. I'm just saying, effort's not from that trade yet. It's only like, you know what I mean. The TP, if that's your strategy, then that works. You know what I mean. So,
no, I've changed the strategy a little bit. I studied it. Do you remember I said to you on Saturday? I just thought of everything you and Mateus were saying last week. So I started something slightly different. I'll tell you at the end of the week if it worked. It's kind of good, but it gives me also still, okay, where am I comfortable at? Where am I found my peace at? My navigation of it, because everybody's different, aren't they?
Yeah.
So you've got to find your, okay, I'm okay with this.
But where you are now, you'll be completely different in August, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's just a journey, and like we said the other day, you'll be taking stuff from us that will put you further ahead.
Look, it's doing the session high. It's there now. Pushes through this bit, and it's all the way to 25, 28, 30.
Yeah.
I'm open. Is yours ahead of mine?
I enter on that one.
23.
Yeah. I enter on that one, but my stop loss is on the break even now because I'm done for the day. If goes, will be amazing.
Yeah.
I booked some profit on that one, and that's it.
But it should, so it came up now to what, 24.60. I think the TP2 is 26, isn't it, on this one?
26.
Yeah. But that's why, so I closed mine at 20 on the first TP, so I can be happy with my lot, you know?
Well done.
Yeah.
You kind of, instead of keep second guessing and wanting and worrying.
They're making it mechanical, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm holding out for TP 4851.
4851.
Yeah, but when you say things like that, Mark, then I keep watching it and I keep going like this, even though I'm on my own. When it's kind of, and I'm thinking, or Mateus or Mark's, this is going for Mark.
Mark is getting the TPs.
I know, even though I'm not in the trade.
I'll be honest, it was really testing this morning. It was sitting at really good blue. You know, I had 3 trades open, really blue, and not to interfere with that. Don't get me wrong, it came back the other way, and I thought, you know what? If I do that once, that I do it next time. The next time will be the time that my actual strategy I'm trying to do will play out, and it did. Yeah. It played out this afternoon. Three trades went to TP5, and I thought,
brilliant.
It works. Just try and do the same thing each time.
Yeah,
I'm not putting myself up that. Oh, I've just had so much on the table, and it's just gone the other way. Well, no, your TP2. You were at TP2 anyway. It was set for you know.
But that's not mechanical, is it? When you do that, Mark. When you interfere with it, it's not mechanical, right?
But it's very easy to. Your mind's powerful, isn't it? It's very easy to.
Well, what your mind sees is sometimes it sees opportunity. You think, take it. Then other times you see a drawdown. Okay, lose it, get rid of it, because there's pain, right? Distress. So it's all dopamine and cortisol and all that kind of stuff, isn't it? It's all chemicals.
Yeah.
And your emotions are the things that drive the chemicals, whichever way, whether it's good or bad, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Another 10 minutes to 3 o'clock. Let's see what we have on that last push on the hour.
It'd be nice to get to 31 by 3 o'clock, wouldn't it?
It's only 100. It's only 100 pips. 10. It's 100. Is it 100? Yeah.
Yeah. We are 21 now. It's not a lot in golds nowadays.
No, that's true.
But you know, Mark, this has really changed from 3 or 4 months ago, how gold is moving now to how I made that £900 in that 5 or 6 weeks.
Yeah.
It's changed at the moment. That seemed to be, you know, most of it, like we're sitting here now, we just want it to go up to 31. That's not asking for a lot. It's at 20. Oh, it's 21. So we're asking, but it seemed to be, I don't know if I've made that up in my head though, that whether that first week of the new year, the first few weeks, it just seemed to be smoother, less volatile.
Well, we didn't have a war, so yes, it must have been.
Yeah, in January it was, because that's when I was in I grew very good in 4 weeks, but rebuilding again in February has been very hard because it's been very volatile, you know.
Yeah. So I am right. So it's not just in my head. I've not just made that up.
No,
that's how I remember it. That it seemed to be, you know, once it started going, earlier today, we sat here for nearly an hour while it just went between 8:02 and 8:07 and 8:02, and we're in a trance watching it.
You will get days like that, won't you? You know, where it's consolidating. I think that we've done that on Friday and then pushed.
Yeah.
think it's just understanding what sort of the market's trying to do. Yeah, there's a one for you. I've just looked back on the spreadsheet. Thursday, the 20th of March.
Yeah.
Last year, first trade ever placed, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
It was a win, and it was entered at 3027.
Yeah. Wow.
Mark, was it a buy or a sell?
It was a buy.
Imagine if you'd left it in.
Oh,
Wow.
No. Hindsight's great, eh?
You can't think like that, otherwise it'll drive you nuts.
It's all right. I'm only doing it. You know,
been some more nights since then.
Yeah.
Wow.
And some Sundays into Monday mornings. With
yeah, definitely.
I had an early night last night. It was really nice.
Good.
Early night with Jessica and then up early this morning.
I wanted to see how far the market would drop last night when it opened.
But it didn't drop vastly, did it?
Yeah, it did.
Was it? What did it drop to?
Massive.
Nearly 1,000, didn't it?
Did it?
Yeah, it did.
What last?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, this is what we were talking about. So
Yeah.
the
No,
high.
I didn't.
So the high. So it dropped in the first hour from 48.35
Yeah.
to 47.61.
Oh,
Wow.
Blumenich. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the next hour it dropped all the way down to. Let me just have a look. Oh,
And it's already started dropping from Friday afternoon.
Yes,
47.36.
because it got to about 35, didn't it, on Friday afternoon?
80.
It was 39, 38 on Friday evening. I remember looking at it about 8 o'clock while I was walking the dog.
Yeah, but it went up to 80 that day.
Yeah, that's when I was saying that I was hoping that all your runners were going to make.
And I had them set at 60. They come in 60.
Oh, brilliant.
Mark is fantastic because I got off the plane on Friday and it was about 8:10 when my phone came back alive and I'd got about £600 profit. All the TVs had all been set. Yeah. And then my copy trader did about 400 quid. So
looks really good.
Yeah.
Looks really good. I'd like to get on that on next quarter, probably Q3 July. Yeah.
So what's it gonna do then, guys? Is it peaked? Is it gonna do? Is it done? 26 just then? I think was it? No, it didn't.
I think at least 30 will come to 13.
It's just come back and activated another layer for me, and then gone back up.
Yeah,
right. Marvelous.
They just want you to get more money. That's why.
So go on.
Yeah, it came back for you.
How's it you? I'll do that.
Yeah, it's just at my entry point now.
Come on then.
Just not.
There she goes.
That's it. Come on.
Come on, sweetheart.
Come on.
Give it a push, Cole.
Yeah, whoever's under that, just push it up a bit, please.
I know. Oh, come on.
22.
TP1 again.
Right, is it going to go out of that range now and push through? Let's smash through that.
That's like the sticking point. If I've zoomed out a bit,
Yeah. It is the sticking point.
About 1 o'clock. That's when it hit my last TP around 22. Yeah, so it needs
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going. Come on, if you've done it once, do it again.
You do almost start pushing it, don't you?
You do. It's like it's the same as watching a football match and they can't get the bloody ball in the net, and you start kicking while you're sitting on the couch, and my legs going. As
Don't
if
talk to me about football.
Who do you support, or is it
You're a Liverpool
obvious?
supporter, aren't you, Mark?
No, behave. The candles are blue.
Are the losing ones red?
The cells are the cells are white, but me sticks
Okay.
like red.
No. So they should be the cells should be red, and the winners, the bullets should be blue.
Yeah, no, they are. I can't have too much red. I can just about cope with the lines and the outline.
Come on.
Let's see what the hour's going to do if it closes us out nicely.
We'll need to stay 5 minutes more here.
Yeah.
Yep.
Come on.
Pulling back to 48. Oh yeah, sorry, it's not. But TP1 40 pips again after pulling back.
Yeah.
So the two of us are gonna have to manage with 2 bathrooms this week.
Oh,
you'll be fine.
Yeah, one's out of commission now. I think they've removed everything.
Oh wow! And that will be for how many weeks?
4 weeks.
4 weeks.
What are you getting fitted? A jacuzzi?
No, just having starting to refurb the house.
Nice.
So we thought we'd start with the bathroom. So we've got 3 of those upstairs. So they're just doing all 3. So it's about a 4, maybe 4.5 week, depends how it goes.
Nice.
Come on, 3 o'clock.
You know it always happens as soon as a couple of more minutes and
Yeah. Yes, always happens.
No, little correction there.
He submitted that new stuff, Matthias.
I'm sorry?
I sent him a bank statement. So he submitted that to the CRA company now. See if they authorize it for that new WhatsApp number.
Great.
Yeah, it's pulling back at the end of the hour, isn't it?
Yeah.
Did you say it'll go faster 3 o'clock, Cole?
Hey?
Did you say it'll go faster 3 o'clock?
But it does. I've noticed about 3 o'clock, and I always think, the New Yorkers are on it now.
Mm.
And I don't always mean that in a good way when I say that. I just think the New Yorkers have woken up now.
They do it whatever they want to do.
Yes, yeah. I think, oh bloody hell, the New Yorkers have woken up now. Now we're going to see a fight.
It's going low now.
But so let's have what's it on? Oh, okay. Yeah, but it's still got till 12, hasn't it? 4812 is the.
Yeah.
Oh yes. It's 3 o'clock. My business account in Dubai is open.
Amazing.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Only taken 6 days. So many questions. So many questions, but all good. All good.
Great.
See, the thing is, in business, what happens is there's one thing that's just holding up everything else.
Yeah.
And so I did absolutely everything else, but there's this one account that was just taking ages. So they kept coming back, questions, and then it was interesting. Yeah. It was interesting, but that's the last hurdle of what I had to do in Dubai done.
Great. You just drop instead the push on the 3 o'clock. Let's see.
No.
It's just the beginning of the hour anyway.
Nearly gone the full range here.
Nearly, didn't it?
Yeah. All my layers are activated anyway.
You have the stop loss on the group.
Again?
Did you put the stop loss that we have now?
Yeah, 12.
Yeah.
Okay.
There, it might go up. Oh, come on.
Be a small step back for you, but you hope another buy now.
Yeah.
That's confirmation that he's persistent that it's going to go up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's change it.
Did any of you guys take that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
TP1
here, 30 pips.
There's it. Yeah.
Yeah, brilliant.
Come on.
Come on, push all the way up now, because you've had 4. There you go. How's that? Right on cue. I think I'm going to take a bit of profit off that last signal.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's I'm just protecting that one. And
Come on.
Yeah.
you struggle to push. I just book some profits just in case.
Mm.
I took one of my trades out that one that I took over last signal. Thanks very much.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah, got a couple of trades now open, and that's it. Last ones.
I will keep only the runner.
Yeah, I've got the one that goes to 30.
Yeah.
And then I've got a little baby one in between.
Your trades grow in between. First you said you only had one, then you had a baby one. You didn't take Cam. Then he has a baby one. He didn't say about the baby one before.
I do that all the time. I'm like, okay, then here we go.
No, but you said I've got a trade, and then you said, but I have one, and then I have a baby one.
Yeah, I just took. I had three. I had two baby ones.
That's the lot size.
I have a baby one and a teenager.
Okay.
I've only got one trade, but I have a baby one and a teenager as well.
Okay, I have only the baby runner then.
Come on.
Come on, 3 o'clock.
Come on.
Yeah, I will just keep that runner, and that's it for now. Then the day is done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What time did you start? Did you start at 8 or did you start earlier?
Oh, my trade early, yeah, but the live we start at 8, yeah. We had great signals on early today.
Yeah, I did a little bit this morning. It took I think it's TP2, and
then we had TP3 as well on the early mornings, before 9, before 8. I'm sorry.
I think I might have dropped one. Can't remember now. Or no, I might have missed that one. I might have been on school.
Yeah. Just. I will put that runner to 147.87. Let's.
So it's gone back to the top of the range.
Yeah.
A lot of the trades today have been 70 pips, haven't they?
that's dropped a bit, guys.
Yeah.
It's gone back to almost the bottom of the range of that last buy.
Yeah.
It went down to 807. 807.80.
Just shows you the value of stop losses and partial profits and booking some profits, etc., doesn't it?
Mm.
I think so is the key. A stop loss always and booking profits. Learn how to book those profits.
Paying attention, Matthias.
Yeah.
Being present.
Yeah.
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 You know, when you're trading, trade.
Yeah. Don't. And it's like we say, if you don't have 50 minutes to look on your trade or half an hour, don't press the button. Because you need
Why
to
you have
be
15
there.
minutes? Are you looking for a cure for cancer, or do you run the United Nations? Yeah,
That's
apart
we
from
always-
scratching your ass all day, most people have nothing to do.
Yeah.
You know, it's a job. Do your job and it'll pay you, won't it?
Yeah.
I don't understand this mentality these days of, oh, I haven't got time. Really?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're
No,
looking
it's
for an
excuses.
unlimited energy resource? Ask Elon Musk how many companies he runs. He has all the time in the world to run his business. Because he doesn't waste his time.
If you want something, you need to put some time. It doesn't come for free.
Do you know something? I really don't want to be discussing that kind of stuff anymore, because if people are not serious about it, they're not here anyway. I can't imagine people that want to trade with us are not serious about making some serious money.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so you know that's not us. Nobody's coming to us that does that.
Yeah, it's attract the right people.
Yeah.
If they just came to the zone and is going up again.
Yeah. Here she goes.
Bottom of the zone.
TP2, come on. It's quite fascinating, really, isn't it?
Oh God, yes. Once you start understanding what's actually going on, it's absolutely. They're not just little lines, are they?
No.
Or boxes or rectangles or whatever you have on there, right? And the thing is, behind each pip is billions and billions of dollars changing hands.
Yeah.
It's really bizarre, isn't it, to imagine?
It's getting there. No. Hash TP1.
Yeah.
Come on.
And we went all the way to the bottom and
yeah,
it did.
TP1 again and nearly TP2 now.
Come on.
Past that TP1, does it? Might be good for Matthew, but it's not good for me.
When you guys aren't here, I sometimes say, "Come on, Matthew, do something." to the screen. Come on, Matthew, do something. You know, my mum loves football. She's nearly 9. She'll be 90 in August.
Oh, really?
And her mobility is quite restricted now, but she's still been able to walk around. And it's really funny, Mark. She loves football. And, you know, after a while, she says, even I could have got a goal by now. And it's a bit like this. To say, come on, Matthew, do something.
Who does she support?
She supports... She's really funny. She loves tennis as well. And she used to love, is it Rafa? What's his name? Nadal?
Nadal, yeah.
Yeah. Football, it's really funny. She always wants them to draw because she says they're somebody's sons. They both came out to have a game. And we say to her,
So she just enjoys more, like, she's one of them that can watch any football. Like,
yeah. She always watches Wimbledon, and she was so upset last year because I think he's retired now, hasn't he, or the year before? And I went
Who's
to see her with is it Rafa Nadal? And she said,
yeah, I think it was last season.
Yeah,
I think he plays tennis, not football.
No, that's what I was saying. She loves tennis and she loves football, but for tennis, she absolutely loved Nadal. And she was so upset that he'd retired. But with football, she loves watching it. But if you say to her, well, who are you supporting? And she says, well, I want them both to get a goal each at least, because they both came. And they're both somebody's son. They're all somebody's son, and they came out to play.
She doesn't like Nadal. She likes Federer.
Oh, sorry, I've just been corrected. She likes Federer, not Nadal.
Oh, Roger Federer.
Good God.
Yeah.
How could you make that mistake about your own mother?
Oh, do you know what? It's amazing. I mean, I was really, Petr Cech. We were watching football, and obviously Chelsea were on, and she was telling me all about his bloody brain injury and why he had to wear. And I'm thinking, how do you know? You don't know anything.
Now.
But I suppose because she's sitting there watching it, she hears it all, and she's telling me all about Petr Cech's head injury.
Amazing.
But it is really funny when after about 20 minutes she says, even I would have got a goal by now, and she can barely bloody walk.
That's the best thing about armchairs, isn't it? You can do anything from them.
Yeah, and that's why
you can manage the team. You can score the goal. You can save the goal.
Yeah.
Come on.
You can trade and be a profitable trader from your armchair.
Yeah. So come on, Matthias, do something with this.
I'm blowing here. Putting my mobile down.
It's almost like it gets to that little bit and gets blooming stuck as if something's in its way and it can't get pushed past it. Again. For 18 it needed. Yeah. Come on, come on.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, come on, come on, come on.
Look at that.
Much
Unbelievable what it does.
Come on.
That's it.
Come
well
on.
done, Mark.
Nice one.
It's got it. It's got to TP2. Did you get that, Mark?
Yeah. Lovely.
So 20 past 3.
That's it, 120 pips. That was nice for you, Mark.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Activate all the entries, isn't it?
If 4 I've got in at the minute. But it did go lower than that, didn't it?
Yeah. You're still pushing.
What are your 4 at now? What do you need? It's trying.
24 TP3.
Okay. Okay.
I can't manually do any more than than 4.
Yeah.
I've tested it in the past.
I think it's
if I was doing 6 and they were activated, they'd have to set 2 TPs, so they just go automatically and then take part from the others.
I think
Matthias, I'm going to end the stream, so thank you very much for those of you watching. Guys, stay on because we can do that.
Okay.
Because I want to stick to the times that we're on. We'll run over by 21 minutes.
Yeah.
So that's ending now.
Okay.